Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI Codex in VSCode so you can write and auto-generate code faster. So let's get started. First, you're going to install the Codex extension. You're going to launch the Visual Studio Code, navigate to the extensions view by clicking the icon on the left sidebar right here, and in the search bar, you're going to type in Codex. From the search results, you're going to locate and select Codex, OpenAI's coding agent published by OpenAI. It's crucial to select the official extension to ensure proper functionality and security. And then after that, you're going to click on Install button. You may be prompted to trust the publisher, and then you're going to confirm to proceed. So you will find it just like this one. So you will find all the installation tools right here. And then you're just going to, again, just tap on Install. Now, after that, you're going to sign in and authenticate. Once installed, you must connect the extension to your OpenAI account. After installation, a new Codex icon will appear at the top right corner of the activity bar. You're going to click on it to open the Codex panel, and in the Codex panel right here at the left side of your screen, you will have to click on Sign In with a ChatGPT button. So you will find it right here. As you can see, it is already trying to sign in, so you'll find the sign in button right here, and you just have to click on that. Your default web browser will open, prompting you to log into your OpenAI account. After successfully logging in, you will be authenticated, and the Codex panel in VS Code will activate, ready for use. And it's it. You now have your Open Codex integrated into the VS Code. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.